Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. My name is Shikha Gupta. I'm a class teacher of grade 1 from Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lailpur. Today I'll teach EVS, and in EVS I'll teach our neighborhood. What is neighborhood? Neighborhood are the places which is near to us, which makes our life easy and comfortable. Let's see some neighborhood places which are near to us. First is market. What we go to do in the market? We go to a market to buy things. There are many shops in the market. We can buy whatever we want to buy from the market. Second is school. We go to school to learn many things. Whatever we are learning, we used to go to school to learn the things. Third is post office. What is post office? Post office is a place where we can buy stamps, envelopes, and postcards. If we want to send a letter to someone, we have to post it in the post office. Next is bank. What we do in the bank? We deposit our money in a bank to keep it safe. All the transactions related to our money we used to do in the bank. If we are not feeling well, we used to go to the hospital, and there we met a doctor who treat us. So if we are not feeling well, we have to visit to a hospital. Next is railway station. If we want to move to another place in train, we have to catch a train from the railway station. Airport. We take flights from the airport. If we want to move to the another place or travel to the another place which is far from our city, we take flights, and we take flights from airport. Next is police station. If we have to complain for a thief or any mishappening, we have to take help from the police, and for taking help from the police, we have to visit to a police station. Next is the park. This is the most favorite place of all the children because we used to play in the park. This is the place where we have all the fun. So we go to a park to play. Thank you. I hope you all have understood what is neighborhood places. Read it, revise it. Have a great day.